One of the most basic of strategies when trading any market is to pinpoint certain price action on a chart which appears to be supportive or provide resistance to price action. Importantly, this is not an exact science, and you'll see technical analysts in some cases choose different levels of support and resistance according to a number of factors such as time frame. However, unlike some complex analysis, locating support and resistance in its most basic form can be done quickly and easily once you know what to look for. Although there are many techniques, the very act of visualizing price action in most cases will give you an understanding on potential areas of support and resistance. Firstly, you must ascertain whether the support and resistance levels that you see are valid. The general consensus is 3 separate touches suggest the area has valid support or resistance. Once again, this is not an exact science. Rarely will you see price action achieve a particular support and resistance level and perfectly reverse. Many also gauge a breach of resistance, a close below or above the level. However, there are varying views, but the best way is to ascertain how convincing the break is and react accordingly. The Aussie US dollar chart on screen demonstrates an area of longer term resistance. Quite simply, the price action has a tendency to reach 102 US cents and retrace. On one attempt, price action breached 102 US cents but was unable to make a convincing break. The previous chart provided a very clear understanding on resistance levels. However, what about support? Let's zoom into the chart a little and look for shorter term support with the Aussie dollar price action. If you click the 15-minute time frame, you can see a distinct barrier of support achieved this morning around about 99.9 US cents. Remember, this is a 15-minute chart, not a longer term daily chart in the previous example. It's always wise to look for different patterns based on different periods. Support and resistance won't always be as simple as the previous examples. You may identify levels of support on an uptrend or resistance on a downtrend. Let's have a quick look at the Aussie-New Zealand pair to try and look for long-term trends, and we can do this using a trend line. We can see a slight break through support. However, on balance, it has largely respected the northbound trajectory, but has since made a convincing break, providing a possible trade exit or opportunity. Remember, finding support and resistance is a guide to price action, not a crystal ball. If you see price action adhere to your analysis, this can provide you an excellent trade opportunity.